Hi, so in this video we're going to be looking at how to create this pattern using nested for loops. Alright, so in this pattern you can see that we have 5 rows and the number of stars keeps decreasing. Okay, so from 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, so when you have a situation where the output that you want to print or process keeps decreasing, generally we will use a decrementing loop. Okay, so we have seen an incrementing loop, and in this example we're going to see a decrementing loop. Alright, where we're going to start off with 5 and then go down all the way to 1. Alright, so let's see the code. So what I'm going to do is, since I am having nested for loops, I'm going to create 2 variables for the outer loop and inner loop. Okay, so for the outer loop, I equals to 5, I greater than 0, I minus minus. Alright, so this outer loop is going to start from 5 and it's going to count down, okay, because it's minus minus, and you keep repeating as long as I is greater than 0. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 5 iterations. And for each iteration, I'm supposed to print a certain number of stars. So for j equals to 0, j less than equals to I, j plus plus. Okay, so why did I put j less than equals to I? Because in the first iteration, I is 5. Alright, so sorry, less than I. So when I is 5 and I count from 0 to 4, it will be 5 stars. Correct? And in the next iteration, I will become 4. So I'll count from 0 to 3. So you can see that in each iteration of I will print as many stars depending on the value of I. So the first time it will be 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, and so on. Okay, so here I'm going to print out a star, the star here, and after that I will print out the new line here. Okay, so let's run this. Okay, so here you have the output. So as you can see, in the first iteration I have 5 stars, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Alright, why? Because the inner loop, okay, will print as many stars depending on the value of I. Okay, and since I is counting down, alright, so the first iteration will be 5 stars, then 4 stars, 3, 2, and then 1. Alright, so I hope that this code is clear on how we can print such a pattern. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.